Guys, I got a new fidget cube. I got a fidget cube and a new fidget spinner. I'll show you. And it came with a case. I'm going to show you my new fidget spinner first. And the fidget cube. There's a joystick, a switch, and this one's my favorite one. I love how it rolls. And there's 2 quiet ones. These are 2 quiet ones and 3 loud ones. Oh, and this one, like, it's a finger pad, I think. And this one doesn't roll well for mine. It might for yours. Yep, these are my new ones. I went to Rogers sale and got them. They have like 1,000 at Rogers sale. If you, I'm embarrassed now. I would, please.